Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious draw soup. If this video is interesting to you, keep watching. I'm starting by adding the red oil in the pot. I've already steamed the meat I'm going to be using for this recipe. I want this video to be very short. Next, I added 1 cup of ogbono on the pot. I'm just going to fry it a little bit just to enable me to break the molds you are seeing on the pot. After I'm done doing that, I'm going to be adding my onions. And then I'm going to be adding these local spices of mine. It's called okpe in my language. You can use dawa dawa, or as it's called in English, locust beans, if I got that pronunciation very well. I'm just going to mix it up, and then I'm going to be adding the water I used in steaming the meat. And then after which, I'm going to be adding the quantity of water that is needed for this soup. Once I'm done doing that, I'm just going to give it a little bit of stir, and then next I'm going to be adding the okra I'm going to be using for this. I use my food processor to chop this okra. That is why it's like this. I don't get strength to cut okra. Food processor has been a lifesaver in my life. So guys, I'm just going to add the okra in the pot, give it a little bit of stir, and then cover it to steam. Okra and ogbono is one of the best soup you will find in Africa. Africa as a whole. Like, you cannot remove okra and ogbono from African recipe. We love it so much. More especially when we are teaching our young ones how to eat our local food, we start by giving them draw soup. So I'll just cover it and allow it to boil for 10 minutes. After which, this is how it looks. It really looked beautiful. Without testing it, you can tell that this ogbono soup sets you. So guys, I just give it a little bit of stir. Next, I'm going to be adding my dry fish. After which, I'm going to be adding my meat, the dry meat. You know, so I love dry meat. I'll just put it in the pot, give it a little bit of stir. At this point, the soup is ready. See how beautiful this soup look. Without testing it, you can tell that this soup is going to be yummy. So guys, like I was saying, you cannot remove draw soup from African recipe. Like, when you attend African parties like wedding ceremony, burial, or any occasion where you are going to be served African local food, you cannot escape eating draw soup. I tested for salt and allowed it to steam for another 3 minutes, and then look how beautiful this soup look. All right guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. I said to myself, I can't end this video without showing you guys the last part of it. Oh, I ate it with pounded yam, fresh pounded yam. All right guys, see you on my next one. Bye.